Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pork dry step by step. Pat the pork thoroughly with paper towels right away and remove any visible moisture. Then apply a light, even layer of coarse salt and let it rest briefly while you prepare the next steps. Finally, place the pork on a rack in the refrigerator to air chill uncovered, which firms the surface and reduces moisture effectively. Start by sprinkling kosher or coarse salt evenly over the pork, using about 1 teaspoon per pound for balanced drying and seasoning. If you want a dry surface, avoid sugary rubs that will draw and hold moisture during cooking. Let the salted pork rest on a rack in the fridge so the salt can draw out water while air circulates, giving you a firmer surface that sears or smokes better when cooked later. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like to support more clear cooking tips. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite makes reading recipes anywhere simple and comfortable, and it fits in a kitchen drawer without taking up counter space. I find it handy for following step-by-step instructions hands-free. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When it's time to cook, start with a hot sear to form a dry crust and seal flavors quickly on the outside. For thicker cuts, move to indirect heat or lower oven temperatures to finish cooking without creating steam that reintroduces moisture. Just before serving, give the pork a short burst of high heat to recrisp the exterior, then rest briefly so juices redistribute without making the surface soggy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.